ka international workshop kabul panchayat da ka positive energy art foundation haga junge trelum mot ka Indian Council of Social Science Research Northeastern Research Center Shillong kala punkut no ya kani ka workshop kabusan sngei haga ni ka sngei director jonga ICSSR NERC Shillong ula di kongsan haga ni ka sngei lai anlum director jonga positive energy arts foundation Dr. Prakash Kishore Kinong Drodur jong South Korea, South Africa, Thailand, Sri Lanka, Kerala, Assam, bot Meghalaya. Hanis ngai la penjinam yakini ki jong Drodur hakir kom buper laini ki bu iya cimenta ha kani ka workshop kebusan ngai.
We have talked a lot in 5 days, and we have not talked only here but outside too, because Dr. Prakash said that she won't bring us to the real identity from here, and I think this is quite important because I have a dialogue to the person in the space, just like I'm there. So I think in Thai we think a lot about art, and we are interested about art and science too. But I think this is quite important time and important opportunity that we have, like a conversation a lot about art and also about any kind of thing. For example, Professor Pai and Ging is come from like the commercial, and we talk a lot about NFT and also something that we have to use in the real world with the communication about commercial world too. And I think, and also we talk about the art with science, art with a creative economy, and anything and any kind of thing. So I think this is a good opportunity where we are sharing, but not only knowledge and not only like a dialogue, but the real thing is like a friendship. Because I think the friendship is very important where we can share and we can keep in touch to the future, and we can't be here.
The theme was called 9-7. It's on this numerical 9 and 7. So based on this 9 and 7, because it relates with our culture also. It's about, we have this myth of how the 9 creatures in the celestial realm and the 7 human being here on earth. So it was very interesting. We have participation from across Europe and few from nearby Asian countries. So that was long time. After that, we hardly see anything happening of this kind, of this nature, of this level. Then it was in 2006 with the initiative of, it was me and Benedict. We organized through Rite Academy, and we have this international Thosun camp. Thosun literally means to mark with line. So even this also has a very significant, element as far as our culture is concerned.
Not hesitating to come because India is too new to me and it's quite far from South Korea. But the thing is, my dear friend Ade and Jihyung invited me, and also my director. So I'm here and I'm so happy to see you all. But the thing is, I was not expecting the big things at the end of our workshop, but surprisingly, I made a big performance with Benedict, and it was great honor as well. And the thing is, this is very beginning step of all, but also now it asked me to go to Thailand in Sunday, and Nim invited me as well. So this is the things that the director expected everything before he made this opportunity. So.